Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling how to mute Trello boards, your full 2025 guide. This will help you keep your workspace focused and undisturbed. Let's dive right in. First off, log into your Trello account and navigate to the board you want to mute. It's simple but necessary. This tells Trello which board you want to adjust notifications for. Next up, find and click on the Show Menu button, typically located on the upper right side of your screen. This is where you'll find all your board settings and options to customize your Trello experience. On the drop-down menu that appears, select More. This helps us because it opens up a list of additional actions you can perform on the board. And nestled in there is our goal, the Mute option. Now that we've done that, locate and click on the Mute button. This will silence all notifications from that specific board. The reason we do this is to keep your Trello environment clean and focused. Now, you won't be bothered by notifications from this board, letting you concentrate on what's important. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you mute a Trello board, you're telling the system that you don't want any activity from that board to show up in your notifications. However, you can still access and interact with the board normally. Finally, to verify the board is muted, you'll see a small speaker icon with a line through it, next to the board's name. This is a visual confirmation that your board is now muted. And there you have it, a muted Trello board and a more peaceful workspace. Just a quick wrap-up. Remember that you can always unmute the board by following the same steps and clicking Unmute. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Trelloing. We'll see you next time with more practical guides to help you make the most out of your digital tools.